Tell me what is the sweet sensation if you return that's happening? So I search for an explanation and I want to that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never lost. There was the powers of the universe conspired to make me mine until the day I die. I bless the day that I was born for you.
Hello guys! And this is Jacob JTV. So, i-grade ko lang ng Happy 23 wedding anniversary sa aking ate and kuya, Lady So Rode and Vlog. So, ayan, ang tagal nyo ng dalawa, ate and kuya. Ayan, mag-i-enjoy na lang kayo sa inyong buhay, sa inyong katagal sa pagsasama. Ayan, at be strong pa rin. Ayan, laging happy. And also, na mag-iingat kayo lagi dyan, ha? Sa inyong trabaho, syempre. Diba? So, yung mag-iingat kayo lagi at mag-enjoy kayong dalawa dyan sa inyong pagsasama. Ayan, happy-happy lang. Ayun, basta mag-iingat kayo sa trabaho at be strong pa rin. At saka happy also 4th year anniversary sa inyong YouTube channel. So ayan, di ba ang taga nyo na pala sa sa YouTube kuya and ate, and also sa basta be strong and keep on vlogging. Ayan, mag-enjoy sa YT. So, mag-enjoy sa inyong pagsasama. Ayan, ang akin lang masasabi na mag-ingat lagi and pray to the Lord and be strong always. And I wanna say thank you always also ate and kuya na lagi nandyan kay Jacob GTV. Sa lahat, sa everything na tulong mo. Ate and kuya, mag-enjoy kayo sa inyong anniversary and sa inyong YouTube. So yun, basta nandito lang si Jacob. We love you both.
Hello sa lahat. Especially to Kuya Rodrian at Lindis. I want to greet happy 23rd wedding anniversary. More anniversaries to come, and also happy 4th year anniversary sa YP. Salamat po sa lahat at siyempre mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Salamat. This is Honey Bay Johnson. Salud!
Hello everyone! Mega love shoutout! This is Danica Lopez channel. Meron akong gustong batiin dahil special ito, araw na ito, dahil babatiin ko lamang sila ng Happy 23rd wedding anniversary sa inyo, Ninang Lady Sue and Ninong Rude M channel. So, ayan, sana ay magtagal pa kayo. Ayan, sana ay pagpatuloy nyo lang yung inyong mga sweetness overload. Char. Ayan, so, sana all talaga tumagal ng ganyang years. Ayan, more years to celebrate and more years to come. And syempre, babatiin ko na rin kayo dito sa YouTube world dahil nga, meron din kayong isang celebration na Happy 4th year YT anniversary din sa inyo, Ninang and Ninong Lady Sue and Ninong Rude M channel. So, ayan. Sana all talaga naka 4 years na sa YT world. So, ako naman ay 3 years ko pa lang sa YT. And salamat sa friendship and salamat sa lahat-lahat. Alam nyo na yan. Ayan, salamat talaga kapag meron akong problema and everything. Ayan, lagi kayo nakikinig at lagi kayo nandyan sa akin. And salamat din po sa suporta nyo sa akin kapag ako ay nagla-live. Ayun lang, sana po ay lagi kayo nasa ligtas na kalagayan. Thank you so much again and God bless. Enjoy your celebration. This is Danica Lopez Channel. I love you, both of you.
Hello! This is Teresa Bombay. Greetings to sa ating pinakamamahal na Ladies World and Vlog sa kanilang 23rd anniversary. Sana po. Okay na kaya ako ganun ba? 23rd anniversary ng ating Ladies World and Vlog, Kuya Rudy M and Mami Ladies Sue. Yan. And of course, sa kanilang 4 years anniversary ng YouTube channel, Ladies World and Vlog. Thank you so much na hindi niyo pa rin ako nakakalimutan sa design. Dito pa rin ako at always support niyo po. Ayan. Maraming salamat at nakilala ko po kayo. And of course, thank you sa inyo thank you sa support niyo sa akin. At nandito lang yung design always. And more power po sa inyong channel. Good health. More years pa po. And yan, stay strong sa lahat ng bagay and kaya natin to. Thank you, Mami Lidisu and RDM. Thank you sa support always. God bless you, Mom.
Ladies World and Channel, happy 23 wedding anniversary at 4 years sa YT World. Prayer ko sa Panginoon, magkaroon kayo ng matatalpan na pagsasama, good health, at enjoy lang ang YT World. God bless us all.
Hi Ate Sue and Kuya Rudy. Binabati ko po kayo sa inyong 23rd wedding anniversary. Sana po magpapatuloy pa rin yung pagsasama nyo ng matagal. Yung love nyo sa isa't isa hindi magsasawa. Kasi alam nyo, madami pa kayo na-inspire sa inyong pagsasama at saka yung love nyo sa isa't isa. At saka kayo yung patunay na may forever. At sana po i-bless pa kayo ni Lord ng madami. And binabati ko din kayo sa inyong YouTube channel. Happy anniversary sa inyong YouTube channel din, ate and kuya. And sabi nga nila, kasi naano namin kayo na kapamilya na talaga. Kasi sabi nila, ang family doesn't requires blood, it requires love. So nafe-feel namin sa inyo yung love ng isang kapamilya po. So sana patuloy pa rin kayo sa inyong YouTube channel kasi marami kayong napapasaya at natutulungan. Thankful din po ako dahil yung pagmamahal nyo sa mga kapatid ko, especially din sa akin din. Thank you kuya at ate sa inyong lahat. And God bless and more power sa inyong channel at sa inyong pagsasama. God bless din. Bye-bye ate and kuya. Happy wedding anniversary and happy anniversary sa YouTube channel niyo. Bye-bye. Love you po.
Hello everyone, this is Jelaine Cortez and of course gusto kong batiin ang happy 23rd wedding anniversary ni Nang Lady Sue and Ninong Rudy M. And of course keep your love burning and more years to celebrate and more anniversary to come. And the happy 4th year anniversary din dito sa YT. And thank you so much for being part of your journey dito sa YT community. Sa lahat ng ating samahan, simula't simula at pagkakaibigan, hindi man tayo nagkikita pa. And of course, thank you so much sa lahat ng tulong and sponsor nyo sa akin. And yun, happy anniversary sa inyo.
Hola mga amiga-amiga, what's up? Anong ganap? So ang ganap ngayon, I would like to greet a happy 23rd wedding anniversary Mr. and Mrs. Maturan, and also they are celebrating their 4th year YT YouTube anniversary. So happy 4th year and more anniversaries to come into your life. wishing you and praying you both to have peace of mind, happiness, and of course, good health. And more travel around the world. Don't think of more stress. I know that stress is in our life. I know. I am franking. No, I'm trying hard to speak in pure and straight English. Just for you to be happy watching this. I know that Lady Sue is now laughing out loud, watching and visiting these messages of mine. No, I'm just kidding, and I'm just making Lady Sue and Judy M happy and happy always. So enjoy your life, enjoy your journey, whatever it is, wherever you are, and choose what makes you happy. Okay, this is serious matter. No, seriously, always remember that even though I'm not around all the time, I'm not communicating with you guys all the time, but always remember that I am so grateful forever. You will always part of my life. Again, happy 23rd wedding anniversary and 4th year anniversary in YT. More blessings to come because I always say that you are a blessing to me, a blessing to us. God be with you always. Thank you.
To Ma'am Lady Sue and Sir Rody, happy 23rd wedding anniversary sa inyong dalawa, and happy 4th year anniversary sa inyong YouTube channel, ang Lady Sue Rody in Vlogs. Grabe no, 23 years na pala kayong kasal, pero feeling ko parang 5 years ago lang yan, dahil nakikita ko sa inyong dalawa na andyan pa rin yung sweetness, andyan pa rin yung pagmamahal na parang bagong kasal lang, at kaya nga nagiging idol ko kayo pagdating sa inyong relationship, dahil bira lang talaga yung ganyang klaseng relationship na matagal na kasal pero nagkakasundo pa rin, nagmamahalan pa rin. Kasi yung iba dyan, yung ibang mga couple dyan, parang kapag ganyan nakatagal ng relationship, parang wala na lang yung, alam mo, yung companionship na lang. Pero sa inyong dalawa talaga, nandyan pa rin yung care, yung sweetness ninyong dalawa na parang bagong mag-asawa lang kayo, at kaya sana mananatiling ganun. Yun lang, sana umabot kayo ng golden anniversary para masaksihan namin, at sana invited kami kapag mangyayari. At ang galing lang din dahil na-maintain nyo yung YouTube channel nyo despite sa, alam mo, yung busy sa trabaho, hindi kagaya sa iba dyan, pinabayaan kaya nawala ng hawak, diba? So ayan, oo, hindi si ikaw talaga yun. Anyway, thank you. Sana marami pang grand LS yung magaganap sa channel nyo para masaya kaming mga hangol sa mga prizes, diba? Oo, isa na ako doon. Lagi kong inaabangan kapag may prizes. At minsan nakikisama yung need ko, pero minsan ayaw din. Kaya sorry kapag ganon na puro ikot-ikot. Pero anyway, thank you so much dahil isa yung channel ninyo sa nakatulong din sa channel ko every time na yung may mga events din ako dati pa. Andyan din kayo at sumusuporta, at isa kayo sa laging nagpapalipad. At ayun lang, good luck sa atin lahat, at happy 23rd wedding anniversary sa inyo ulit, and happy 4th year anniversary sa inyong YouTube channel. God bless sa lahat, and ayun, love you all. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ma'am, Lady Sue and Sir Rudy. happy 23rd wedding anniversary and 4 years in YT World. May you have many more anniversaries to come, and may you have long-lasting relationship and love together. Thank you.
Hello, Mommy, Lady Sue, and Daddy Rudy M. I just want to greet you guys a happy 4th-year anniversary to you too, and also a happy 23rd wedding anniversary to you guys. That is a milestone for me, at least. And 23 is a lot, you know. Being together for 23 years is a lot. Kasi syempre, there's always ups and downs. There's no perfect relationship, of course. And you guys managed to do that. So I give you a big applause for that. And thank you for the support and the love you guys showed to everyone and for me, of course. And I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys have a good celebration. And keep smiling, guys, and keep singing. Love you.
Hi, Ma'am and Sir. Mong Lady Suan, Sir Rudy M. Ayan. Happy wedding anniversary at sa inyong YouTube. Ayan. Happy 4th year anniversary sa inyong YouTube. At, ayan, masaya ako na na-meet ko kayo in person. Napaka-bait niyo po. Thank you so much and congratulations.